Hello friends, this is the hot water, naturally hot water. If you put, you feel like burning inside. It's totally natural, coming from I don't know from where. It's real natural. It's hot, right? Yeah. So if you put hand like this, you feel burning. You cannot put more than 1 second, and it looks like very healthy. You can see it look like boiling. It's totally boiling and coming out. This is pot here. People put pot here to make the water a bit cold before they can take the bath. A lot of people look like it's very healthy and very good. This is the one here, but there are more same pots like this. I will show you more. One is there, one is here. You can see also there. Also under the deep jungle. This one is less hot, so people can stay in the water. The one I show you first time, this one is more hot, extremely hot. So you cannot put your body inside here. Let me show you more spots of hot water. People are here, look like healthy spot. So many people are here to clean their body with warm water. I think this is a very natural. This one is also hot water here. Razi Ryan,
It's too hot.
how is it?
Hot.
Very hot, huh?
Ah.
You try to put your feet, na, it's healthy. Ryan, come here.
Oh, the aftertaste.
Ryan, what do you think? How's the water?
It's good, but if you put your feet for long, it hurts.
It hurts, huh? Okay, don't put feet long time then. Just put short time, then take them out. But it's very healthy and very, very good. Try to put feet inside. Only this. Try more. Oh, Ryan, I want to see your feet. How long you can put feet inside?
Want to have a battle? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
Go. 3, 2, 1, go.
No, we're not doing this.
I want to see how long you can put inside.
Cool.
Slowly your body understand, you know. I just want to show you around how's it. Actually this water is running, that means hot water is coming from somewhere, and it's running water. You can see this one. Not like statical water. Oh, I saw this something here. There are so many people, they are enjoying hot water. If you are in the Kuala Lumpur or nearby, this place is, I think, just around 10 kilometers away from the KLCC, the main place. You see? This is extreme hot. Then all pools. You can see the steam is going out. You can see the steam. You can see the steam. There is steam. Oi, you cannot put hands inside long time, only short time. Yes, Ryan. Yes, put feet inside, it's healthy. How's it?
Normal.
Ryan, how do you feel now? Good? This is healthy.
You can change my pants later, right, Mama?
Yeah. So friends, thank you for watching, and I think this is the best place for healthy bath. If you are nearby KL, you can come here. KL means Kuala Lumpur, and I will put the map and location in the description. And thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.